So we have here the modelled cat. The symmetry has been collapsed into it at this stage, and Turbo Smooth has been removed, or open subdiv. We now need to unwrap it. So we're going to put on the unwrap UVW modifier. First thing we want to do is get rid of those green lines. So if I switch off the map seams checkbox, that gets us there. So to unwrap, we need to decide where we cut to flatten out the surface into one piece. And I think for starters, I want to treat those ears separately. So I'm going to go to Edge Sub-Object Mode, and I'm going to select the edges around the perimeter. If I double click, I can select a loop, and if I go down my edge mode here, I can click on this button here, Convert Edge Selection to Seams. Let's do the same with the other ear, Convert Edge Selection to Seams, and also with the sides of the ear. I'm selecting the edges, double clicking, and so before I convert those to seams, I need to deselect the edges that are not part of the decision. And that should do it. Convert edge selection to seams, and we've got seams for the ears. We want to have a seam running down the underside of the body. So I'm going to double click on that edge loop, selects all of those. Again, deselect the parts I don't want. Let's say up as far as the tip of the nose. We don't want to select the upper part of the tail. Something like that should be okay. Convert edge selection to seams, and that's it. We now need to do the feet. I'm going to take the inner parts of the legs, double clicking. It's the quickest way to do it. I want to pick up these bits as well. Convert edge selection to seams, and we're nearly there. We just want to get the feet unwrapped, so let's go and pick up these pieces and okay, convert all of those to seams, and hopefully that should give us enough to work with. Oh yeah, we need to, let's just pay a bit of attention to the face. I'd say that face should be okay. So next thing we're doing is we're switching to polygon mode. If I click on a particular polygon, and I can go this button here on the right, expand polygon selection to seams. That's going to select that island of polygons. I'm going to open the UV editor, just clicking that button here. And there's a handy little button here with a triangle at the bottom, and that's display only selected polygons. So if I turn that on, it hides the other polygons. So what I'm going to do is do a quick planar map with this one here. So if I click on this button here with the lightning and the planar map, that'll do a quick planar map of that island. Unhide the selection, do the same with the other ear. Expand polygon selection to seams, isolate, click on the planar map, unhide. Let's do the back of the ears, expand to seams, planar map, isolate. And what I'm doing is just moving that off the work area. Same, back of the ear, quick planar map, isolate. Oh, undo that. So expand to seams, quick planar map, isolate, move it off the work area, and exit isolation mode. That's going to get me the ears. I'm going to click on the anywhere on the rest of the body. Oh, I've got a couple of edges there I should have removed, so let's do that. Click on my edit seams, press Alt, and click on the edges I don't want. I should have been a bit more careful with those. Otherwise I think we're okay. So polygon, expand selection to seams, and this time we're going to use a pelt map. This is the fourth one in under the peel. If I click on pelt map, and it opens up the mesh there in the UVW editor. I'm going to click on start pelt, and it's going to start untangling and stretching the mesh from the edges. When it's done that, I need to relax the result. So underneath the start pelt, I've got this start relax button, and the relax is going to do a nice job in untangling the remainder of the mesh. As we can see there, that's unwrapping the rest of the cat's body, and we're done. So if I click on commit with that, we've now got the island, which consists of the main part of the pelt. We've got the ear sections. In my UVW window here, the fourth button in here, select by element, allows me to select an individual element. So there's an ear, there's another ear, and there's the backs of the two ears. So you can probably see that those ears are a little bit tangled. So I'm going to select this one, go up to Tools, Relax, Start Relax, it'll untangle. Same with the other one, select it, Start Relax, Stop Relax, untangled. All I have to do now is to pack all of these islands into the central area. So if I select them all, I click on the under Arrange Elements, the Pack Custom button, and they will all pop in neatly there like that. If I want to, I can select those ears and place them wherever I want to. If I wanted to keep the ears, treat them separately, I can do that. Otherwise, I'm good to go. I can close this, I can collapse my unwrap, and I am ready to start taking my geometry into Mudbox.